Hey guys, I'm Buki Elegbede. One of my favorite things to make are layer cakes, but I gotta be honest, they can be tough. But with a few tips and techniques I'm gonna teach you today, I'm gonna show you how to make a show-stopping checkerboard cake. Start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees. In 2 large bowls, you're gonna separate the batter in half. So just a little bit of food coloring of your choice. It could be purple, blue, red, whichever you want. And stir to combine. Look at that color. You are going to separate your purple batter into 2 of your buttered, greased, and buttered again baking dishes. You're gonna bake these for approximately 25 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean in the center. Set your timer. So first thing you wanna do is to level off your cake. You're gonna cut a round from this 6-inch plate. With a 4-inch cutter, you're gonna cut a 4-inch round. Out of that, out of your 4-inch round, you're gonna cut a 2-inch circle. You're gonna interchange colors. So you're gonna start with white and you're going to insert a purple and you're gonna interchange with the purple as well. Once you've put all your circles together, stack them opposite colors and frost to your heart's content. There's nothing better for a home cook than to hear someone say, "This looks so professional." I'm telling you, it works every time. Perfect. Great cake, amazing frosting, and the wow factor of this checkerboard. A lot of steps, a lot of easy steps, but anyone can do this. Showstopper.